Hey friends, if you wish to disable Save Passwords pop-up option in Firefox browser, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So let us open Firefox before anything else. Click on the hamburger symbol here. After clicking on the hamburger symbol, here's what you have to do. Select settings. Now in the settings menu, you can go to the privacy and security tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down to the password section and there's something called as ask to save passwords. Now unfortunately this is always checked by default, and I'll tell you what this does. It will fill all your usernames and passwords. It will ask the user to save that password. Okay, so if this is checked, it means that the person can simply click on allow or save password and save it. So this is not a good thing, and if passwords are saved on your browser, you won't have to log in each and every time. And in that case, anyone who has access to your laptop will also have access to your data, your accounts. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.